There is a small two-story house deep in the mountain. It is Xiao Yun's old home. In order to build this building, Dad spent most of his life saving as one of the few buildings in the village. Back in the day, it was really prestigious, but now the building is in a state of disrepair, uninhabitable. So today, Yun decided to completely renovate the building, recreate the scenery of the. Some people ask why they don't buy commercial houses in the city to live. The reason why I choose not to buy a house in the city like most young people, it's not because Xiao Yun doesn't have money, but because it's really not necessary. Compared to the fast-paced life of a larger city, she prefers the freedom of her hometown. Some people ask if they don't need to work. Of course not. Xiao Yun is now a networker. Hundreds of thousands of fans. As long as there is internet, you can work anywhere, so she could earn money back home and also bring down the cost of living. What's not to like? Next we see how Yun remodels a cozy home. And by the way, I'll share the wonderful renovation process with you too. First, clean up the house, move the stuff out first. It's a big task. Sweep up the 82 years of wall dust. This is like an old warehouse. Go you! All kinds of chairs. It's really tiring. Anyone help? Get the 82-year-old altar out. Clean up the floor. Go you! It's a pain in the ass to clean up all this sand and dirt. Finally, it's clean. Busy as hell. Let's see how much debris is cleared out. A little bit of work, more work later. Clean the roof dust, prepare the ceiling. It's more demanding here, so I hired a professional decorating team. It's been unoccupied for so long, it's really hard to clean up. The walls will look good if you paint them white. There's strength in numbers. This window is well decorated. Doesn't it look like a new one? The next step is to place the boudoir bed. The next step is to place the bed. I don't know where to start, but the phone is still broken. Is it a new model? Don't say that this combination of bed installation, but also really need to technical. This is the decorative painting on the headboard of the bed. The installation is quite easy, because there are drawings directly according to the location of the nail can be. The electrical installation is still in the hands of a professional electrician. This light is quite interesting. Clean up the garbage. Guess what this is for? Hanging curtains. That's how they do it in the country. Very good. The bedroom is set up. The bathroom decoration still has to be left to a professional team. Although it's in the countryside, modern sanitary equipment is still necessary. Gas water heater, bath bar, flush toilet all have. This is Simmons mattress.